Hello everyone, it's Carla reporting live from Flywheel Motors in Olive Branch, Mississippi with the latest addition to our lot, 2014 Chevy Cruze. As you can see, they're a pretty good tread on those tires. Let's check it out. See, we got a little fender bender here. And let's make our way on to the inside. All right, we have 54,851 miles on this Cruze. You have power windows and power locks. You also have your cruise control feature on the steering wheel, as well as radio control features. AM/FM radio with the options for satellite and Bluetooth connection. CD player as well. Heating and air works very, very great. Let's see the back. Alright, here we are in the back. We have black leather seats. As you can see, it's nice and spacious back here. As I said before, this is a two-owner vehicle. Two previous owner vehicle, shall I say, with 54,000 miles. Can't beat that. If you would like to see pictures of this vehicle, please visit our website at flywheelmotors.com. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to give us a call, 662-420-7682. Hey, you can also text us. We'll be sure to respond. Waiting to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Bye.